Thursday morning to you. We have a chance for some showers and storms this afternoon. Pretty similar pattern to what we saw yesterday. This is the looped satellite and radar from the afternoon. Notice that the showers and storms took a while to develop. We saw some in the Pikes Peak region. Then they really intensified as they got to the eastern plains, tapping into some low-level moisture, really just fueling those storms. So today, we kind of have a similar pattern you'll notice here on the Stormcast. So really the gist of today is that we're going to see a lot of sunshine to start. It's going to take a little bit to develop those storms as we get into the afternoon. The best place to see some showers and really the lingerance of it is west of I-25 into the mountain regions, and we're going to see that here in just a moment. So notice here, a lot of sun to start. So that's why our temperatures are really going to heat up today. It's not till the afternoon that we start to get some showers and thunderstorms into the mix. Here into the Pikes Peak region, the Stormcast isn't showing much, but I think that we could get a brief shower or thunderstorm develop that's pretty isolated, maybe a pulse storm, which pops up really quickly and then quickly deviates out of here. But most of the activity is going to be west of I-25. As we go into the evening hours, you can notice that you see it really pick up here into the mountain regions. That's because we get a lot of forcing there because of the mountains, but there are some blips onto the forecast here into the eastern plains. If one of these does develop, there is a lot of low-level moisture, and we'll touch on that in a second here into this region, and one of these could be stronger and maybe severe in terms of gusty winds and small hail. But notice here as we go into the evening hours, it really picks up west of I-25, and this is where we could see showers linger into the overnight hours. So rainfall continuing even as you wake up tomorrow morning. And some of those could come into the Pikes Peak region too in just shower activity. So that's what we're looking like for today. Pretty much you have to wait till the afternoon to see some of those showers and thunderstorms, but then they linger going into the overnight. Like I said, more low-level moisture off to the eastern plains here. If we do get a thunderstorm in this area, it has a little bit more fuel and a little bit more oomph to it to see some gusty winds and things like that. And you know, these low-level moisture values into the 30s. That's why it's not supportive of a lot of long-form showers and thunderstorms into the Pikes Peak region. Highs today, 84 in the Springs. I've dropped the temps just a tad, 91 here in Pueblo and along the Arkansas River, but nonetheless still warm and above average for us. As we go into the rest of the week, Thursday and into Friday, there is a trough that's off to our west here. We start to get influence of that trough. And when you're downstream of the trough, so right here on this right side of the trough, that's where we can get a little bit more shower activity, brings in a little bit more moisture for us, and that's why our rain chances tend to uptick going into Thursday and Friday. So here's what Thursday looks like. Notice we have those showers lingering from tonight. We get a little bit more widespread activity, but this comes in two rounds in Thursday. We have a morning round, we get a lull in the action, and then we get a little bit more isolated thunderstorm action into the afternoon, into the evening. Pretty similar today, just without the storms and the showers into the morning hours. Temperatures tomorrow, pretty much copy and paste, 83 in the Springs, 91 in Pueblo and along the Arkansas River. So warm temperatures, even with those showers in the afternoon. Radar is quiet as of right now. Here's a look. We're starting to see the sun come up in Pueblo, 56 degrees there. So here's how that plays out into the 7-day. Showers and storms for the next 2 across the board there. But by the weekend, we're starting to dry up. We have temperatures into the mid-80s in Pueblo and in Canyon City, into the upper 70s. And it's the same pattern here in Colorado Springs. Showers and storms for the next couple. Thunderstorms Friday, but we're clearing up as we go into the weekend. So temperatures this weekend are going to be into the upper 70s.